Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cutout collage on your story using new collage feature on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and Instagram has just launched new feature called collage feature, and you can get the feature on your Instagram story. You can go to your story. Okay, create new story, and here you will see collage feature, and you'll be able to use this collage feature to create cutout collage, and you can choose the photos that you want to create a collage. And I'm just going to pick random photos from my device. Okay, you can choose maximum 20 photos, and for me I'm just going to choose 6 photos. Okay, and click on next, and just hold on guys, the Instagram will create a collage for us. Okay, and this is how the cutout collage looks like, and you can change the type of the collage. You can choose cutout or sequential. Okay, this one is for the sequential collage, and for me I'm just going to choose the cutout because it looks more captivating. So I'm gonna change it to cutout. Okay, and once you're done guys, you can click on done right here, and you can still edit the collage if you want. Just click on this option to choose the collage type, or you can click on edit collage here, and you will be able to delete your photo, or you can add more photos. Just click on this plus icon if you want to add more photos like this, or you can click on delete if you want to remove the photos, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, and before you post the collage to your story, you can add sticker, text, or effect or music to make it more captivating. And I'm going to go to the music and add music for this collage. I'm going to choose, I'm just going to choose random music, for example, this one. Okay, and click on this icon to add the music and click on done. Okay, and you can upload it to your story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cutout collage on Instagram story using new Instagram feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.